Today let's talk about impact of controlled stepwise reperfusion during primary percutaneous coronary intervention on patients with ST elevation myocardial infarction. The aim of this study is to examine the impact of controlled stepwise reperfusion by modulating predilation balloon pressure during primary percutaneous coronary interventions in patients with ST elevation myocardial infarction. Coming to methods, consecutive ST elevation myocardial infarction patients requiring primary percutaneous coronary interventions with thrombolysis in myocardial infarction, flow grades 0 or 1, were randomly divided into an experimental group and a control group. For the control group, the predilation balloon was removed immediately after achieving antegrade perfusion beyond the lesion. The experimental group underwent stepwise reperfusion, with the balloon pressure being gradually reduced. Baseline data, intra-post-procedural primary percutaneous coronary interventions data, 3-month left ventricular ejection fraction, and major adverse cardiac events were documented and compared between the two groups. Coming to results, the control group experienced more severe symptoms during the procedure, higher post-procedural corrected thrombolysis in myocardial infarction frame counts, more significant hemodynamic changes, and increased rates of ventricular tachycardia ventricular fibrillation. Additionally, they had a higher total number of arrhythmias, a lower 90 minutes ST segment resolution rate, and elevated CT-NI levels 1 week after the procedure. 3 months later, the control group demonstrated a lower left ventricular ejection fraction compared to the experimental group and a trend towards more drug-treated arrhythmias. No differences were observed in other statistical results. In conclusion, in patients with ST elevation myocardial infarction undergoing primary percutaneous coronary interventions, controlled stepwise reperfusion by adjusting the predilation balloon pressure effectively reduces myocardial ischemia reperfusion injury, improves myocardial perfusion, and supports the recovery of cardiac function.